In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run billing reports in SimplePractice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your billing data, how to focus on the numbers that matter, and how to export reports for bookkeeping or audits. Start by signing in to your SimplePractice account and heading to Analytics, then Reports. This is your reporting hub, where all your financial and operational insights live in one place. Within the Reports page, look for the Billing Reports section. This is where you'll find billing-related options tailored to different needs. You'll see several report types designed to answer common questions about outstanding balances, invoice timelines, and revenue across your practice. Choose the report that matches your goal. Outstanding balances shows who owes money and how much, making it great for collections and follow-up. Client invoice. Aging groups unpaid invoices by how long they've been outstanding, 30, 60, or 90 days, so you can prioritize outreach. Invoices gives you a detailed list of invoices, paid or unpaid, which is helpful for spot-checking activity within a specific time period. Clinician invoicing summarizes invoicing by clinician, so multi-clinician practices can understand performance and distribution of revenue. Once you're in a report, use the filters to narrow your results. Set a date range to focus on a specific month, quarter, or year. If you're reviewing performance or balances by provider, filter by clinician to isolate their caseload. When you only need to see who actually owes money, enable the option to show only clients with a balance. And if you're in the Outstanding Balances report, you can toggle Include Insurance to factor in amounts owed by insurance, not just by clients. This helps you separate client responsibility from claims still pending or partially paid. After applying your filters, review the report on screen. Scan totals, look for outliers, and note any trends, such as a spike in aging invoices or balances concentrated with a few clients. This on-screen review is a quick way to catch issues before month end. If you need to share the data with your accountant or keep a local record, export the report as a CSV or Excel file. CSV is ideal for importing into bookkeeping software, while Excel works well for custom sorting, pivot tables, or historical comparisons. When exporting, keep file names clear with dates, and store them securely to maintain client confidentiality. That's it. Navigate to Reports, pick the right billing report, filter smartly, review your results, and export when needed.